everyone, I'm Monica Rana. This is Jago Himachal 365 डर के नहीं डट के and you're watching Hillcrest News Channel. Let's start with the headlines. 128 tests positive for COVID in Himachal Pradesh. Relief as DDU hospital OPD resumed today in Shimla. Curbs relaxed tourist rush to Dharamshala at weekend. 809 vaccination centers set up in Himachal Pradesh. 5 cops suspended for laxity in duty in Baddi. Virus deaths up 98.5 times in Hamirpur. Top Lashkar-e-Taiwan terrorist Mudassir Pandit among 3 killed in Jammu and Kashmir's Baramulla. Yoga remains a ray of hope as the world fights COVID, said Prime Minister Modi. India records 53,256 new COVID cases, lowest since March 24. Arvind Kejriwal in Amritsar today, ex-IG may join up. Now news in detail. 128 tests positive for COVID in Himachal Pradesh. As many as 128 new COVID cases and 3 deaths, all from Kangra, were reported in the past 24 hours. 399 positive patients recovered in the state. There are total 2,711 active cases. Positive cases reported include 15 from Bilaspur district, 15 from Chamba, 18 from Hamirpur, 7 from Kangra, 7 from Kullu, 18 from Mandi, 27 from Shimla, 7 from Sirmaur, 10 from Solan and 4 from Una district. Relief as DDU hospital OPD resumed today in Shimla. Deen Dayal Upadhyay Hospital DDUH will reopen its outpatient department's OPD from today, 2 months after the hospital located in the center of the city was declared an exclusive COVID facility. The hospital, along with the Zonal Hospital Dharamshala, was denotified as a dedicated COVID hospital a couple of days back. Apart from treating non-COVID patient, facilities such as issuance of disability certificates, medical and fitness certificates, etc. will also resume. All these services were shifted to Indira Gandhi Medical College and Hospital when the hospital was notified as COVID center on April 18. Curbs relaxed, tourists rushed to Dharamshala at weekend. Tourists returned to Dharamshala this weekend after the government eased restriction for entry into the state. Most hotels witnessed about 50% occupancy. Traffic jams in McLeodganj and closed markets, however, created problems for many tourists. Though most hotels are now open, restaurants are still closed. Restaurant owners said there were only weekend tourists. It was not viable for them to run restaurant until there was a regular flow of tourists, said Vikas, a restaurant owner in McLeodganj. 809 vaccination centers set up in Himachal Pradesh. As many as 809 vaccination centers have been set up in the state for the inoculation drive starting from today. According to the government spokesperson, 734 centers have been set up in the rural areas and 85 in the urban areas. Approximately 1.18 lakh 18+ beneficiaries are targeted to be vaccinated on June 21, he said. He further said the on-site registration facilities would be provided in the tribal, hard and rural areas. All eligible beneficiaries in the urban area should come to vaccination centers only after pre-scheduling their appointment to avoid any inconvenience, he added. 5 cops suspended for laxity in duty in Baddi. Taking a strict note of the laxity of the night patrolling team, which failed to detect miscreants roaming on tour unregistered bikes who snatched a mobile phone and rupees 22,500 from a resident on Friday night. The Superintendent of Police SP Baddi suspended the officials. Lohit Malpani, SP Baddi, said the incident pertains to Sai Road, Baddi, which is a hotspot of such crimes. Additional police teams have been deputed to check such incidents. The team entrusted with patrolling the area and the investigation officer deputed at night failed to attend to the resident complaint on time. They have been suspended. A departmental inquiry will be initiated against them for this laxity. Raghuveer Yadav, a local resident who runs a fruit shop at the Housing Board Colony Phase 3, in his complaint to the police stated as soon as he left his house on Friday at 12:50 am, he saw 4 men and 2 motorcycles with no registration number. They snatched his phone and took away rupees 22,500 from his pocket, he said. He claimed he informed the police, but they did not initiate a timely action. Virus deaths up 98.5 times in Hamirpur. Hamirpur district witnessed over 98.5 times increase in COVID-19 deaths in April, May and June this year as compared with the corresponding figure for 2020. The pandemic claimed 197 lives in the district from April 1 to June 17 this year, while only 2 such deaths were reported during the corresponding period last year. As per Health Department records, no COVID death was reported in April last year, while 1 death each was reported in the following 2 months. This year, 36 COVID deaths were reported in April, 140 in May, and 21 deaths till June 17. In all, the district has seen 199 COVID deaths since March last year. The number of confirmed COVID-19 cases in the district stood at 14,226, with 13,712 patients already cured. Top Lashkar-e-Taiwan terrorist Mudassir Pandit among 3 killed in Jammu and Kashmir's Baramulla. One of the most wanted militants, Mudassir Pandit, was among 3 terrorists killed in an overnight encounter with security forces in Sopore area of Baramulla district in Jammu and Kashmir, police said on Monday. Kashmir Inspector General of Police Vijay Kumar said the encounter took place in Gundbrath area of Sopore in the North Kashmir district. The encounter had started late on Sunday night as the security forces launched a cordon and search operation in the area following information about presence of at least 3 militants, including Mudassir Pandit, in the area. Yoga remains a ray of hope as the world fights COVID, said Prime Minister Modi. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Monday said yoga remains a ray of hope as the world fights the coronavirus pandemic and asserted that in these difficult times it has become a source of inner strength. Addressing the 7th International Yoga Day program, Modi also said that in collaboration with the World Health Organization (WHO), India has taken another important step, and now the world is going to get the power of M-Yoga application, which will have many videos of yoga training based on Kuman Yoga protocol available in different languages of the world. This will help us in making the One World, One Health motto successful, he said. India records 53,256 new COVID cases, lowest since March 24. The COVID-19 cases in India continue to witness a declining trend, with the country recording 53,256 new cases, lowest since March 24. In the same time span, 1,422 fatalities were reported, according to data released by Union Health and Family Welfare Ministry on Monday. This is the 4th consecutive day in the last 2 months when the death toll is below the 2,000 mark. It is also the 14th consecutive day when India has reported less than 1 lakh new coronavirus cases. On March 24, India has recorded 53,476 cases of COVID. Arvind Kejriwal in Amritsar today, ex-IG may join AAP. With Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal and Punjab AAP head Bhagwant Mann visiting Amritsar today, rumors are rife that former Inspector General of Police IGP Kanwar Vijay Pratap Singh is likely to join AAP on the occasion. Kanwar, who took premature retirement, has been holding meetings with residents of the Amritsar constituency from his candidature for the assembly election would be announced. There is a buzz that some disgruntled BJP leaders too may join the AAP. Expressing ignorance about Kejriwal's proposed visit, Kanwar said whenever he makes up his mind to join a party, he would disclose it. So this is all for this time. Stay connected and keep watching Hillquest News channel. Thank you.
हेलो हिमाचल 365 टीवी सूचना, समाचार, मनोरंजन, एजुकेशन और भी बहुत कुछ लेकर आ रहा है।
This is Himachal 365 TV and you're watching Hillquest News. I'm Garima.
मेरा नाम है आशीष।
ये है हिमाचल 365 टीवी और आप देख रहे हैं हिलक्विस्ट टीवी न्यूज। हम जल्द आ रहे हैं पूरे हिमाचल की ताजा तरीन खबरों के साथ। हर तरह के समाचारों के लिए देखिए हिमाचल 365 टीवी और जुड़े रहिए हिलक्विस्ट न्यूज के साथ।
हेलो हिमाचल 365 टीवी सूचना, समाचार, मनोरंजन, एजुकेशन और भी बहुत कुछ लेकर आ रहा है।
This is Himachal 365 TV and you're watching Hillquest News. I'm Garima.
मेरा नाम है आशीष।
ये है हिमाचल 365 टीवी और आप देख रहे हैं हिलक्विस्ट टीवी न्यूज। हम जल्द आ रहे हैं पूरे हिमाचल की ताजा तरीन खबरों के साथ। हर तरह के समाचारों के लिए देखिए हिमाचल 365 टीवी और जुड़े रहिए हिलक्विस्ट न्यूज के साथ।